What is up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you again with a super informative video for any Amazon seller trying to rank their product up in 2019. I'm going to show you how to use the free website Helium 10 Gems to generate two-step URLs, which are going to increase your conversion rates as well as boost you for specific keywords that you want to rank for. And let me run some crazy staggering numbers and some statistics behind why it's so crucial to hit page one. So a study done by the Advanced Web Search showed that 67% of customers are going to click in the top 5 listings on the first page. That's where most clicks are going, so when you're up there, you just keep regenerating more sales. It's going to be huge. Now, this is for Google alone. It says less than 10% of people advance to page 2. That's done by the same study. So you want to be on page 1. Even in Amazon, maybe more customers will search beyond page 1 looking for the product. But if you're on page 1, that's where you got to get. That's where you got to be. And I'm going to show you exactly how we can rank your brand new selling Amazon product up those pages real quick. So let's hop behind my computer and get to it. All right, so I'm at my computer now, and I'm going to take you through Helium 10 Gems. And what you want to do to get to this page and kind of follow along with me if you want to do this with your product is click on the first link below in the description. It's going to get you there to the Helium 10 Gems page, and you can get started and follow along. So I'm going to minimize myself down just a little bit. And they did revamp this. I have made a video on the two-step URLs from this page before, but they have actually now added a ton of new marketplaces. So if you're in Canada, if you're in the UK, France, or Australia, Spain, anywhere, you can now create these two-step URLs to rank your products in any of these countries, which is really helpful because I'm planning to expand my product brands in other countries as well. And this is going to help me rank. Even though the competition is super low there already, I want to hit page 1 as fast as possible. So here's the two-step via brand URL. And the main benefit for this URL, and this is the one I use the most, is it's going to target specific keywords that you want to rank to page 1 for. So just to show you how simple this is to really set up is I'm going to come and do an example with Yeti coolers, and I'm going to show you how we can rank this product basically if it wasn't on page 1 up to page 1 for a specific keyword. So that's a Yeti cooler. I'm just going to type in for the brand Yeti, and then I'm going to say cooler. And if I want to get more specific, I can even put in the ASIN of this. And I've installed DS Amazon Quick View to my Google Chrome browser, which is another free Chrome extension which shows all the ASINs and some sales rank information there at the top, which is pretty cool. So I can click on the ASIN, come right down here and paste that in, and I just press generate. And these are all optional as well. So then it generated me the special URL, and boom, now I'm ranking for cooler. And I can change whatever keyword I want to rank for simply by just changing it right here. So I think this is actually a tank cooler. I can press generate and then open it again, and boom, now I can start ranking for the term tank cooler. What you want to do when you get this special URL, which is basically right up here, is you want to share this with your friends, your family, kind of another audience, maybe through Instagram influencers, something like that, so you can actually get traffic to it. And I would recommend you guys come over to Bitly, and then you can actually copy this long Amazon URL, come over here and paste it, and then you can shorten it down to a nice manageable link that you can then share on your Instagram, Facebook page, or anywhere else, giving it out to those influencers. It just looks a lot more clean than having a super long URL. So that's my top favorite URL I use to rank my products in Amazon. Another thing I like about it is when you do put in the ASIN and everything and you share this with other people, you're just having your one product show up for the main keyword that you want to rank for. You don't see 10 other products here that are trying to show up for tank cooler. When customers see it, they just see your product, and it's way more likely for them to buy. That's why I said this can increase your conversion rates as well, because they're just seeing your product. And another cool feature is when you click on it, it says QID up here in the URL. That's a specific timestamp to when they clicked into this listing. So it's as if they've actually searched on Amazon for the term tank cooler, came to whatever page your product was on, and bought it through that main keyword from whatever page you're on. So that's very unique to their search every time that they're looking for your product. This is the one I would recommend you guys go with. And there's so many awesome other URLs here for you guys. You can pretty much do the hidden keyword. So for this one, I can pretty much grab the ASIN of any product. I'll grab this one this time. and throw it right in there. And for keywords, let's see, what is this? A tumbler. So we'll say tumbler and we'll press generate. And boom, now you got your two-step URL for that product right there out the gates. It's just a little different than the brand URL. I do like to do the brand URL more because it kind of boosts your brand recognition up at the same time as boosting your main keyword. So that's why I like that more than just the hidden keyword. Same thing down here for the ASIN. You can just drop literally the same ASIN and another keyword and generate another URL that's going to help rank your product as well. The canonical URL is very helpful if you're doing Google ads and you want to rank your product in Google. This is a Amazon-friendly Google URL that you can use and basically rank your product up through Google searches. So it's as simple as, again, putting your keywords and then putting in your product ASIN and just pressing generate. And like I said, this is all free stuff, guys. The add to cart URL is also very cool. I'll put in that product again and say, let's say it's a 3 quantity that you want to order. Maybe that's a special promo you want to do. You want to sell 3 units for a special price. You can change your price on your listing on Amazon. And then boom, here's what this listing does. It takes you right to quantity 3, price $23, and they can literally continue to check out right from the add to cart URL made right here from Helium 10. Okay, buy together. This is very helpful if you have similar products that you want to rank together. So let's say I'm going to put in the ASIN of the tumbler we were just looking at and say a quantity of 1, and then go back and find another item similar that we might want to sell with that. So for fun, let's just throw in the ASIN of this. So if you have 2 products that are similar and you want to rank them together, let's generate a buy these 2 at the same time type of URL. Boom, you can have this, spread it out to your email list, your influencers on YouTube or Instagram. Boom, it takes them right here, and you can change the quantity like I just did, and they can just add both of those to cart right there, as well if you have another promotion you want to promote for that. So you can see how valuable this stuff really is, and coming down to the targeted ASIN search URL, you can pretty much throw in a number of different ASINs that you want to just have appear to different customers, and when you open up that page, you can see right here that it's just the list of products that we have wanted the customers to see. So all these URL generators are amazing. They now have even made URLs for if you want to rank inside a Walmart and start selling there instead of just Amazon. So that's how beneficial this stuff is, guys. It's all here for free for you guys. And Helium 10 has a lot more paid services that you can get that will help you find products, create listings, do spying on competitor rankings and keywords, and basically build a very, very good business, all with just basically one tool. I know I talk a lot about Jungle Scout and using that tool, but I use Helium 10 very synergistically along with Jungle Scout. So I'm actually going to have a discount of 50% off your first month when you sign up to Helium 10 through my discount code down below. That's going to be the link right below the Helium 10 Gems website link that I basically showed you guys how to do all this. So go check out what they have to offer. I mean, if you're running a real business that's going to be making you a lot of money, put some money down on the table to invest in the tools you need to succeed. Not only that, they're a nice little tax write-off at the end of the year. I know I just paid my taxes, and it's great to be paying for tools so you can actually have some expenses, business expenses to write off at the end of the year. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and share it with any of your other friends trying to sell on Amazon and rank their products. This should really help you guys out, and it's a free tool that you can use. They even have some walkthrough tutorials that you can see here as well. So thanks again, guys. Stay classy, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.